Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can change Shopify theme without losing content. Now if you are scared to change your theme because you have put a lot of hours into your Shopify store, like the coding and adding products, also customizing your Shopify store. Now if you are scared, what you guys need to do first is to make a copy of your theme in case you want to go back. Okay, so that's exactly the first step you need to do, is to make a copy or to duplicate your theme so that you can go back whenever something happens. Okay, because you don't know what's gonna happen exactly. Of course you will not lose content if you change your theme. That's what Shopify says, and I tried it myself. I didn't lose any, like for example products or anything like that. Okay, or the code that I have put into my Shopify themes. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can change your Shopify theme without losing content. You want to log into your Shopify store, of course. Now the second thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here and as you can see in the left, you want to click on online store. Okay, after guys you click on online store, if you scroll down now you will be able to see like multiple themes here. But the first thing I highly recommend to make a copy of your theme. Like this is the current theme, which is the default theme by Shopify. It's called Down. Now I'm going to click on these three little dots, okay, next to customize, and I'm going to click on duplicate. Okay, now you want to make sure you make a copy of this theme before you can do any, like you can choose, before you decide to like change the theme. Now wait for it. As you can see, copy of Down. Now it's copying every single thing, like the product coding or anything that you have, like any code you have put into your Shopify theme. It's going, as you can see, now we have a copy. Okay, it's called a copy of Down. Okay, now you can also change the name of this, rename copy of Down to go back, for example. All right, so now you want to click on save, and that's it. Now what you guys need to do now is to go to and then find now what theme you really want to use. So I'm going to try to use Spotlight theme. Okay, now I'm going to click on try theme. All right, now wait for it. Okay, just give it a few seconds because this is really like, it takes a few, like I would say like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. As you can see here, creating pages. Now just give it a few seconds and now you will be able to change your Shopify theme. All right, now we have changed it successfully. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Now you can see if you like it or not, of course. Now I'm going to, okay, so if you click on publish, then it's going to look like this to your customers. Okay, this is your new theme. As you can see, it doesn't have any banner or anything like that. If you click on publish, then this is how it's going to look to your customers. Like you will not see the Down theme, which is the theme you have used, the previous theme. Okay, in my case I was using Down theme. Okay, so as you can see, currently I'm using Down theme, but until I click on publish, if I don't click on publish this theme, I am not able to use it. Okay, as you can see, Spotlight. Okay, I'm going to click on customize. As you can see, this is exactly how it's going to look like. So see if you like it or not. This is the home page. These are the products. You can also check here in the top the collections. If everything is correctly, if you like it, then after that you want to click on publish, and then click again on publish, and that's it. Okay, publish here, and that's it. You have that will replace your current theme to the new one, which is Spotlight in my case. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments and tell me exactly your questions, and I reply to every single comment. If this one helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.